artist, I'm Mariana Olsen, and today we're drawing Beetlejuice. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing the character Beetlejuice from the new movie. I hope you like this lesson. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. We're gonna start in the middle of the paper. The first thing I'm gonna do is the nose. We're gonna do a really small curve like this, and it's gonna be his nose. Next, we're gonna do the eyes, and these eyes are gonna be big U shapes. They're next to his face, and they're gonna look like this. And I'm gonna leave the top open. So now let's do the other one. It's a big U shape, like this. And on the top of the U shape, we're gonna do the eyebrows. So the eyebrows are gonna be a line, and then we're gonna do a little bit of a diagonal line to the U shape. And on the top part is a little curvy and connects with this one. Let's do it again. We're gonna do a line. The top curves a little and connect with this one. And now that I have the eyebrows, I'm gonna fill with black. There. Now inside of the eyes, I'm just gonna do two oval shapes. They're gonna be the inside, and I'm gonna fill those with black as well. There, those are the eyes, and he looks a little mean. On the middle of these two, we're gonna put a little bit of a line here to make the nose look more like it. And now we're gonna do the mouth, because at this point this looks like the smile. So let's do a line underneath this one. So we're gonna go like this, a line, and underneath this one we're gonna do kind of like a U shape that connects with this, and we're gonna make a smile. So in the center I want to do a line that goes in, but it doesn't go all the way. We're just gonna do a couple lines, and that's gonna make it look like teeth. Next, we're gonna do the face. I'm gonna do a line that goes around the eyes and around the mouth, and it's gonna be like a big U shape, and it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna start here from the eyebrows, leaving a space between the eyes, and I want to start curving, going underneath the mouth. I'm going slow so my line can stay steady, and I'm gonna pass here the eyebrow. Okay, now he has a funky hair, so we're gonna start on the left side. The first thing I'm gonna do is a little bit of a triangle like this, and on the other side we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go up and out. Okay, so both sides look like this. Now on the left side I'm gonna go up a little, and then the hair is gonna come down, so we're gonna do a U shape and a curve. Now I'm gonna join this line with this one, and I want to make a curve that comes down. Now let's continue with the ears. I'm gonna do a U shape in each side of the head, and I want to try to make this U shape the same size. Now I'm gonna continue doing the hair where I did this U shape, and I want to start going to the left, and I'm gonna just do triangles that go down. This hair doesn't have to be exactly like mine. Just remember to leave a space here in between the head, the ears. We're gonna continue doing this hair, and when I get to the ear, I'm gonna stop right there. Now let's go up, and we're gonna go continue doing these triangle shapes, and they can point all directions. Okay, we're just gonna try to do his hair as crazy as possible, because he has crazy hair. So the same here, when I get to the ear, I'm gonna stop. I'm stopping here because I want to do the body shape first. So I want to go here in a little, and I'm gonna do a curve that comes down, and on the other side the same. Now we're gonna go in a little, and we're gonna do a line that goes down, and the same thing here, and I want to connect these two. Okay, now in the middle I'm gonna go up a little and a curve here. Now let's do the pants. So for the pants, I want to go for the corner of the coat, and I go down, the same thing here, and in the center I'm gonna do a V shape that passes these two, so it's gonna look like this. I want to start down here, I'm gonna go up, and I want to do this upside down letter V like that. Now we're gonna do a curve that goes in around and connect with this line. Again, a curve around and connect with this line. Now from here we're gonna divide where the boots go. So I'm just gonna do a line here, and it's a curvy line. And we're gonna do the design of his pants. It goes with a line that goes curvy to the center of his body. Now let's do the arms. The arms are gonna be easy. We're gonna go up a little bit here, and we're gonna curve down. And we're gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna curve down. And to close down here, we're gonna go and do 1, 2, and 3 curves. And we're gonna close right here. And we're gonna do 3 more lines. So 1, leave a space, 2, leave a space, 3. I wanna repeat the same steps on the other side by doing 2 curves. Now remember we did 1, 2, and 3, a line, and then the curves are gonna go to the other way. So we're gonna go up like this with 1, 2, 3. So now that we have the suit and everything, now we can finish the hair. So I'm just gonna continue doing triangles and connecting with the arms, and the same in the other side. And there, that's it. We finished this character that is Beetlejuice. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how the picture turned out with the colors. This character is easy to coloring because he has just green, yellow, purple, and some black. But I add some gray to get some shadows and some 3D shape on him. I also went with a crayon after to get these white lines, so it gives him a little bit of 3D shape also on the arms. And at the end also I passed the color green twice here to create some shadows as well. And I hope you like how this picture turned out. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.